Nashi?
This.
Oh, you want to taste some of that?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a big bite.
Hmm.
You like it?
Can I have some? Oh, I told you I won't like it.
Ashton, get a tissue.
Nashi? You don't like it?
Did you think it was celery? Did you think it was celery? It was a shovel.
Do you want some more?
No.
Are you sure? You gotta eat that back up.
No.
Was it yummy?
No.